Today I'm going to teach you how to make monster bars. This is what the finished product will look like.
You will need the following to make monster bars:
Cooking spray, measuring utensils, timer, spatula, mixer, pan, and oven.
You will need the following ingredients to make monster bars:
3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup of M&Ms, 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter, 1½ cups of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 4½ cups of oatmeal.
You will need all of these to make monster bars.
How to make monster bars. To make sure you have all the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that I have collected all of my ingredients, I'm going to cream the sugar and the butter. A stick of butter in, then the plain sugar, 1 cup, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Now I'll mix it on low until it is creamed. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients except for the chocolate chips and the M&Ms. 1½ cups of peanut butter, 'I'm going to crack all 3 eggs. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And now of vanilla. Now I'm going to add 4½ cups of oatmeal. And I'll stir it up until it is all mixed together. On low at first. Now I'm going to add my M&Ms and my chocolate chips. 6 ounces of each, or 3/4 of a cup. Now I'll mix that on low until the M&Ms and the chocolate chips are all the way mixed in. Now I'm going to grease the pan and dump the mixture into it and spread it. I'll spread it out evenly. I'm going to use a knife so that it's all spread out throughout the pan and get all of it. Now it is all spread out evenly. So I'll put this into the oven for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. And start it. Now that they are cooled, you can cut into them and enjoy. Find the recipe and look it over to make sure that you have all of your ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Collect all of your ingredients. First, you'll need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter, 3 eggs, 6 ounces of chocolate chips, or 3/4 of a cup, 6 ounces of M&Ms, or 3/4 of a cup, 4.5 cups of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and a stick of butter to your mixing bowl. Now cream them on low speed.
The butter and sugar are now creamed.
Now you are going to add all of your ingredients except for the chocolate chips and M&Ms. First, start with the 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Crack all 3 eggs and put them into the little bowl. Make sure you don't have any shells. And add them to the mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now add your 4.5 cups of oatmeal. Now add your 6 ounces or 3/4 cups of chocolate chips and mini M&Ms. We used semi-chocolate chips instead of milk chocolate, so it wasn't quite as sweet. Now mix on low until the M&Ms and chocolate chips are mixed in. All mixed in, stop the mixer.